Today he's going to be teaching you how to do vaults, double vaults, and how to catch yourself if you're falling. So, a little quick thing that you could skip through a couple of seconds if you want to, but if you want to support us a little bit or a lot, it doesn't really matter. You can hit that like button if you want. You can dislike it if you don't care. But anyways, if you really want to support us, hit the subscribe button. If it turns gray, it'll make our day. So anyways, let's get on with the video. Let's go.
So then over there, and then so then the first thing I'm gonna teach y'all is how to when you fall back of tripping like your parkour move, then you can save yourself. Okay? So then first start doing this. Start doing that a couple times, and then start doing this. But put your legs and put a little force. And then put a little force. But see, I have no room there, but do this. That. Do that, and then when you feel good doing it, then do this. I'm gonna stand up. And then stand up. And then when you're good at doing it, but when you feel good, then you can go ahead and fake fall back, fake fall back and then do it. Fake fall and then do it. And then when you say that, then do it. Then do it faster and faster and faster. And then you did that, and then you can move on to the next thing. It's rolling correctly. So when you kind of put your elbow like this, and then you roll. You put your elbow like that, and then you roll. But you roll on your shoulder. So I'll show you from right here. You roll up on your shoulder, and then when you do that, you can practice doing this. But first do it on a soft thing, and then you can practice doing this if you feel comfortable of doing it. If you feel comfortable in doing it, and then try it kind of better and better and better, and then when you get it, then you're ready to move on. And so we have this right here. We have that right here to demonstrate kind of. So when practice that a few times, it's for a ball. And then so when you do that, and then you do it farther and farther and farther. And then when you master that, you can go ahead and try the ball. Try the ball. And then when you do that, practice doing this. Practice doing that. Tapping 2 times on the table. Ooh, almost fell that time. And then when you do better and better and better, then you can start trying to do the double ball. The double ball. But the triple ball, I can't do that yet. So I'm going to try to show y'all next video, which is tomorrow. But sometimes we're going to upload 2 videos a day and stuff sometimes. And then but make sure you have some water with you. And then, yeah, you did that, you did that. And then you can always try when you're running, and then you want to do that. But practice doing that. Practice doing that, and then a few times, and then when you feel good, you can do that. But if you want to do it more, but if you're not comfortable from doing it, then you can go ahead and put your feet on it, and then land with the other foot that you put on the table, and then and then yeah, you did that, and then so you can like, and you can do this, like that, but try to like do that, not this, not that, because that's different, but this, but two hands, and then lift the other one, and next video I'm gonna teach you how to do. Oh, this is a hard one. The dive. But I need to find something else to do it because this is too long. Because I can't reach that far. And so that's about it. This video. But next video, then I'll show you triple vault and everything. Bye.